What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to start installing the drop kit on my Yukon. Now the gas tank relocation, it's all done, it's working good, so it's time for the drop kit, guys. So let's jump on it. I already took the wheel off and I already have it on jack stands, guys. And for the drop kit, I went with 3-inch lowering springs, new Beltec shocks, 2-inch drop spindles, and then the flip kit for the rear, guys. So let's go, let's start on it. Alright, guys, so we have taken everything off. The brakes, the sway bar linkage, the ABS sensor, everything. Spindle, spring. Here's the stock spindle, and there's the drop one. You can see the difference. This one's a little bit higher. And when you put these, guys, make sure you get the right ones. They're labeled, so this is for the left, and then this one's gonna be for the right. So 2-inch spindle, and then over here we have the drop springs. This is the old one. This is the cut one, and this is a 3-inch drop one. So yeah, guys, let's start putting it back together. Alright, guys, so we have everything put back together. Spindle, the spring, the new shock, everything. So time to put the wheel on. Alright, guys, so I put the wheel back on and lower the jack, and there's a problem. My 24s ain't gonna fit yet because they're rubbing. There's a 24 already put on. It's already lowered, but you can see there it's rubbing, and the fender's already rolled, so they're not gonna fit. So I have to take it back off, and luckily I still have the stock wheels for it, so stocks are gonna be back on. Alright guys, so I'll put the stock wheel back on. So I already lowered it. I'm gonna start on the other side. Now stick to the end of the video, guys, so I can see the result of the drop. But for now, let me start on the other side. Alright guys, so the front is done. Springs, spindles, and then the new shocks, they're already installed, and I already put the stock wheels on. And I've been working on the back in the evenings because it's been hot, guys. This Texas weather ain't no joke. Let me show you the progress that I've made, and we're this close to putting the wheels and dropping it, and I'll let y'all see the end result of the drop kit. Alright guys, so I took the stock leaf springs out because I had taken off 2 leaf springs so it could be lower, which that was the ghetto drop. And I went and got some leaf springs from the junkyard, and they're already installed. And I also, the flip kit, it's installed with the U-bolts. They're tying, they're ready to go, both sides. And also guys, the tuning shackle are installed also. So I just need to tighten up that bolt and the back ones on both sides, and then I have to trim a little bit here so the differential won't hit, and that's on both sides. That's the progress that I have made, guys. Let's tighten up them bolts up, trim a little bit, and put the wheels on. Alright guys, I had forgotten to mention that I still have to adjust the shock bracket. I'm gonna bring it down, and then I'm gonna bolt up the shock. I already did the other side, but you do have to adjust this one down. I have everything bolted up, ready to go. Now I only have to trim this piece right here, and she'll be ready to go.
follow with the grid. Loading.
Alright guys, 5.6 drop is done on my Yukon. It looks badass. I like it. And I know the rims 24s ain't on there, but that's because they didn't fit. It's definitely gonna have to get tubbed in order for them to fit. So in the meantime, I threw in the stocks, but it still looks badass. Alright guys, so there it is with the 5.6 drop. And I say 5.6 guys, because in the rear I had to take off the 2-inch shackles because the frame on the Yukon has a hump on it and I wasn't making it out the little driveway that I have. So I threw in the stock shackles to bring it up 2 inches. So in the rear is a 6 and then the front is a 5. And still in the front they still rub a little bit, but that's because the rim has a big tire on it. But for now it'll do. So there it is guys, 5.6 drop. Comment down below, let me know what y'all think of the drop, how it looks. I think it looks sick. And I can't wait to take it to the shop so they can work on the tubs and get the 24s on there. Now once I have the 24s back on there, more than likely I will throw in the 2-inch drop shackles again so it could tuck a little harder in the back. But that's it guys, that's gonna be it for today's. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe guys. I got more things coming for my Yukon, so stay tuned and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.